We've teamed up with MorningSave.com and their lifestyle expert, Anna D'Souza, who's here to share some amazing inside deals at deep discounts. First up, Anna, a doorbuster deal.
Yes, Brooke, this is the LomiCare Aqua Floss Plus rechargeable water flosser. Now, this water flosser features a rechargeable design, and that means no messy cords, and the company says it cleans between teeth and along the gum line, getting into those spots your toothbrush just can't. And it also features 3 cleaning modes and a rotating nozzle. There is a limit of 3 per customer.
Okay, there's a limit. What's the deal?
Well, we've seen this sell for as much as $80, but our price is just $15. That's 81% off.
Next, we've got a sleek watch set.
We sure do. This is the Gianello interchangeable 3-strap watch set. With sleek dials, a modern silhouette, and quartz movement, this watch comes packed with 3 interchangeable straps, so your wrist can get an outfit change in seconds. And whether you prefer classic neutrals, bold metallics, or trend-right color combinations, the variety of options make it so easy to coordinate your look.
I love the versatility. What's the deal?
Well, we've seen this sell for as much as $100, but our price is something to watch, just $24.99, 75% off.
Finally, we've got something to rest your head on.
We sure do. This is the 2-pack of the Novum Zero Shift Plush Gel Fiber Pillows. Now, these pillows are filled with super plush gel fiber for that sink right in feeling.
Yes.
They're fade and stain resistant, machine washable, and filled with a polyester down alternative. These are a company favorite on Morning Save.
And what is the deal on this?
Well, we've seen this sell for as much as $130 to $150, Brooke, but our price is just $29.99 to $34.99. That's up to 77% off.
Incredible deals today, as always. Thank you so much, Anna. And for more information about these deals, you can scan the QR code below or visit morningsave.com.